Four hairstyles with waist length box braids. Hey guys!
Welcome.
We rocking box braids all summer long. We rocking box braids all summer long. I bun, half up, half down, relaxed, and jeweled. Hairstyle number 1. You are going to need a extra large hair tie, a headband that is very stretchy, and then a headband that you have cut open. This is where the magic happens. Now, for this particular hairstyle, I get asked all the time, how do you get your high bun to look the way that it does? The first thing you're going to need to achieve this look is pull all of your hair to the front. Now, before you position it to where you need it to be exactly, you need to take a look at the sides. Make sure there's no braid that you left out. Now you see this braid right here is a little loose, so I'm gonna tug on it right here. Look to see where it is and just pull it through to make sure that it is as tight as I need it to be. Then go ahead and interlock your tie. I like to do a half bow, so when it's time to take it down, it's easy. I just pull on one string and it's out. You're going to hold it tight, or whatever your most dominant hand is on top. Wrap this part around, and now you're gonna start to turn the hair. And don't worry about how rough it looks at the beginning, because you're gonna place it exactly where you want it to be once you have it up and around. Adjusting, and now you're gonna go in with that headband, and this is what's gonna secure it on your head to make sure that it is not going to move anywhere. So you wrap it twice. Okay, now at this point, you may have some pulling going on around the front. Baby girl, you better save them edges. Yes, we want our hair to look snatched and laid, but we also want our edges, okay? So just gently pull on the hair right in the front to release any tension that might be on the front and the edges of your hair, okay? So now I feel pretty good with the tightness, how the bun is, and the bun is not going anywhere, okay? Now I'm going in with that final extra large tie, and this is basically going to shape the bun. So if you wanted it smaller, if you wanted it a little bit bigger, you could poof it out a little bit more and then secure it with this. I'm gonna pull it over and basically use this to tuck. Now we all know that a high bun without some hoops. Hairstyle number 2. Just gonna go ahead and pull up the middle part here. And this is why, in my opinion, it's important to actually do your parts even, so that way when you want to style it, it just looks cleaner and it looks better. Now you can leave the middle part just like this, or you can take another scrunchie and wrap it like so in a twist like motion, and then wrap it on top. Just keep wrapping until all the hair is tucked away. You then apply the second scrunchie right around the top. For hairstyle number 3, you are going to need 6 little hair ties. Just go ahead and put the hair ties on the first 3 fingers, so that way you have them easily accessible for when you are dividing your hair. Now I like to start with the middle first and just gently tie right around the top, pulling the hair all the way out and trying to get it to lay as flat as possible. So you're gonna basically keep dragging more hair around. And you go in with the next 2 rows here. Same concept. In with the last row here on the side, grabbing a 3rd braid. I'm going to go ahead and turn around so you can see what's going on back here. Then I'm grabbing another bunch from underneath, pulling it right on top. For the last one, I don't like to tie it like all the way here to make it into a ponytail. You can if you'd like, but I like to just use it for the bottom. Like so, just have a little at the end. Now you can definitely leave it like this, but I'm going to go ahead and just add some clips to the top. You guys know I'm a little extra. Okay. And there you have it. Here's your hair. So this way, still looking cute, but at least you got all your hair out of your face. Going in for style number 4, for the jeweled hairstyle, you're going to want to go ahead and take jewels. I recommend using small and large. For the small ones, I'm going to be using these, and for the larger ones, I'm going to be using these. So for this particular style, I like mine to be a little bit closer to the scalp, so I'm going to just keep mine like so. I'm going to be starting with the smallest jewel, and I'm just going to open the jewel like so. They're very flexible, and then placing the first one at the tip and just squeezing it down. I'm going to start going down on the other side, just making sure that that first placement is even with the other side. So the first 2 are in place. Now I'm just going to continue going down. Once you have completed the section like so, just going to take 2 random pieces. I like to take pieces that are in the middle of your hair, stay away from your edges, and literally hold it just like this. Until next time. Y'all see that button? It ain't moved. It did not move. If you love me like you say you do.